Good morning, students. In the previous class, we discussed three equations of motions. What are the three equations of motions? Number one, V equal to U plus AT. What is the second equation? SC equal to ut plus half at square. Third, v square minus u square equal to 2as. We discussed three equations of motions. What is v? Final velocity. U, initial velocity. A, acceleration. S, distance. T, time. Okay. So these are the three equations of motions. So today's class we have to discuss problems related with these three equations. Using these three equations we have to solve many problems. So first question is, a train starting from rest attains a velocity of 72 km per hour. Okay, 72 km per hour. That is equal to 20 meter per second. We know what is the unit of velocity. SI unit, standard unit is meter per second. To solve a problem, we have to convert kilometer per hour to meter per second. 72 kilometer per hour means 20 meter per second. In 5 minutes, okay, what is the unit of time? Standard unit of time is second. So we have to convert 5 minutes to second. Assuming that acceleration is uniform acceleration. Find number one, acceleration. Second, the distance travelled by the train for attaining this velocity. So we have to find acceleration and distance. What are the given terms? Starting from rest means initial velocity 0. Attain a velocity of 72 km per hour. That means V equal to 72 km per hour. That is equal to 20 meter per second. Time 5 minutes. We have to find acceleration and distance. Acceleration and distance. So we can write, given that it is starting from rest, that means u equal to 0. It attains a velocity of 72 km per hour. We have to convert 72 km per hour into meter per second. So 72 into, what is 1 kilometer equal to 1000 meter, divided by 1 hour means 60 minute. 1 minute 60 second. So 1 hour means 3600 second. This is equal to, zeros are cancelled. Okay, 720 divided by 36 equal to 20 meter per second. So 72 kilometer per hour means 20 meter per second. Then we have to find first acceleration. We know acceleration equal to V minus U by T. What is V? 20. 20 minus 0 divided by, what is time? Time equal to 5 minutes. That means 5 into 60 second equal to 300 second. 300 second is the time. Equal to 20 minus 0 means 20. So 20 divided by 300. 0 and 0 cancel. 2 by 30 means we can write 1 by 15 meter per second square. So what is the value of acceleration? A equal to 1 by 15 meter per second square. Then we have to find S. S equal to, so to find S, we can use first and second equations. Okay, here we can use the third equation. Third equation. What is third equation? V square minus U square equal to 2AS. So what is S? S from this equation? V square minus U square divided by 2A. What is V square? Means 20 square divided by 2 into 1 by 15. 2 into 1 by 15. That is equal to 20 square into 15 divided by 2 equal to, what is 20 square? 20 square is 400 into 15 divided by 2. Divided by 2. Okay. So 400 into 15. So this 400 and 2 is cancelled. So this is 200. 200. 200 into 15. 2 into 15 means 30. Then 2 zeros. So 3000 meter. 3000 meter means 3 kilometer. 3 kilometer. So this is the distance travelled by the train. So in this section we calculated acceleration is 1 by 15 meter per second square. Distance travelled is 3000 meter or 3 kilometer. Okay. Okay, next question. Next question is, a car accelerates uniformly from 18 km per hour to 36 km per hour in 5 seconds. Calculate acceleration and distance travelled covered by the car in that time. So here two velocities are given. First velocity, that is initial velocity. Second 36 km per hour, that is the final velocity. Time is 5 seconds. Then we have to find the acceleration and distance covered. So given that, what are the given terms? First u equal to what is u? 18 km per hour. 18 km per hour. First, then v equal to 36 km per hour. We have to convert these to meter per second. But 18 km per hour, 18 into 1000 divided by 3600. This is equal to 5 meter per second. Solving this, we get 5 meter per second. Here 36 into 1000 divided by 3600. This is equal to 10 meter per second. So initial velocity u5, v10. Then from the question, what is t? T equal to 5 second. we have to find acceleration and distance covered. Okay, what is the equation to find acceleration? A equal to V minus U by T. What is V? 10 minus 5 divided by 5 equal to 10 minus 5, 5. 5 divided by 5 equal to 1 meter per second square. This is the acceleration of the car. Then we can find S. So we can use second equation. S equal to ut plus half at square. What is u? U 5 into t 5 ut plus half, a means 1, t square 5 square equal to 5 into 5 25 plus half into 5 square is 25 equal to 25 plus half of 25, 12.5 equal to 25 plus 12.5, 37.5 meter. So distance covered by the car is 37.5 meter. Okay, so these are the given data u, v and t. We have to find acceleration and distance. To find acceleration, we uses a equal to v minus u by t. Substituting the values, we get 1 meter per second square. So here s, we uses s equal to this equation ut plus half at square. Substituting the values in this equation, we get distance equal to 37.5 meter. So here 3 equations are used to solve these problems. First equation, v equal to u plus at. Second equation, s equal to ut plus half at square. Then third equation, v square minus u square equal to 2as. Okay, next question. Next, one more question. The brakes applied to a car produce an acceleration of 6 meter per second square in the opposite direction to the motion. If the car takes 2 seconds to stop after the application of brakes, calculate the distance it travels during this time. So here acceleration is 6 meter per second square in the opposite direction. So acceleration equal to minus 6. Brakes are applied, car stops. So final velocity equal to 0. So time 2 seconds. We have to find distance traveled. So what are the given terms? Given terms, acceleration 6 meter per second square in the opposite direction. So a equal to minus 6. Time 2 seconds. Final velocity after the applying of brake, car stops. So v equal to 0. We have to find s. So we know to find the s. So using the 2 equation, s equal to ut plus half at square or v square minus u square equal to 2as. In this 2 equation there is u. First we have to find u. First we have to find u. So we know v equal to u plus at. So what is u? U equal to v minus at. V minus at. So u equal to v 0 minus. What is a? Minus 6 into 2. Minus 6 into 2 equal to minus plus. So 12 meter per second. That is u. Then we can find s. Okay, so we can use last equation v square minus u square equal to 2as. S equal to v square minus u square by 2a. What is v square? 0 square minus u square minus 6 square divided by 2 into what is a? That is also, sorry, here what is u? U means 12. 12 square divided by 2 into minus 6 equal to 0 square minus, what is 12 square? 144 divided by minus 2 into 6, 12 equal to, minus and minus cancelled, 144 divided by 12, that is 12 meter. 12 meter. That is the distance travelled by the car. Okay, so these are the given terms. A equal to minus 6, T2, V0, S question mark. To find S, we have to find U first. So U question mark. From the first equation, we get U equal to 12 meter per second. So in the last equation, we used to find the S. Substituting the values, we get S equal to 12 meter. Okay, so these are the 3 questions. Okay, so we can conclude today's class. Today we discussed 3 problems related with the equations of motion. Okay, thank you.